Hello everyone. In our last class we had learned about section formula, where you had solved equations where the value of x and y were found separately. Now in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use the section formula without writing the formula, without finding or writing the values and the formulas. We will do it directly. For doing this, you can check your textbook. It is given on page 248. This method becomes very handy when you are solving 3-mark carrying questions, and in some questions you need to apply the formula twice, so every time writing this formula may be tiresome. So we will be using this method. This is the rule to write the coordinates of P. So how to find x? Whenever you are going to find this point using the section formula, what you do is, for finding the x, you multiply m1 by x2, or the number here given here with the first number, that is x, and then multiply the number given here with the first number of this, that is x1. So you will get m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. For solving y, you start again from here, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. Easy, is not it? So we will not mention the alphabets anymore. We'll just use number here and we will just multiply it directly. So m1 x2 by m1 plus m2, and for the y coordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So let's see how it is done. So to apply this method, I have selected question number 3. In question number 3, the question says the line segment joining the points a 4, minus 5 and b 4, 5 is divided by the point P such that AP by AB equals 2 by 5. Find the coordinates of P. So we are given AP divided by AB is 2 by 5, which means if I make a line and divide it in 5 parts, AB is 5, so I will be making 5 parts out of it. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 parts are here, and then AP is 2, so I will just take 2 part here. So I'll just locate P here. P is here. So the remaining portion is 1 2 3 parts, that is 3. So the ratio of AP is to PB, AP is to PB should be equal to 2:3. In the question the ratio was not given, so using this figure we found out the ratio. We calculated the ratio, that is 2:3. Now using this 2 and 3, we are going to solve without writing the formula, and we will do it directly. So m1 into x2, this is x2, so coordinates of P will be 2 into 4. You have to, for finding x, you have to use the first numbers only. Both of these are x and x. The second numbers are y and y. This is y1, this is y2. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2 plus 3. Let me repeat, 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2 plus 3, comma. For the y, now we will be using the second number, and multiplication will go from here to this side, from here to this side. So 2 into 5, the second one, 2 into 5 plus 3 into minus 5. See how easy it is, divided by 2 plus 3. So here we will multiply the numbers. 2 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 8 plus 12 is 20, divided by 5 is 4, and here 2 multiplied by 5, 10, 3 into minus 5, minus 15, 10 minus 15 is minus 5, minus 5 by 5, cancel it, minus 1. So the coordinates of P is 4, minus 1. Whenever you are finding the coordinates using section formula, first of all you just make this figure, put the ratio in proper place, put the A coordinate and B coordinates in the proper place, and then just multiply M1 to the second point and M2 to the first point, keeping in mind whenever you are finding X, you are using the first two numbers. When you are finding Y, you are using the second two numbers. So we'll practice this more in our next question. So let's move to our next question, that is question number 5. In question number 5, the question says find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A, 2, minus 2, and B, minus 7, 4. So first of all, points of trisection means points dividing a line in 3 equal parts. So if you are dividing a line in 3 equal parts, you will have 2 points. There are 2 points of trisection. For example, suppose this is the line and you divide it in 1, 2, 3 parts. So if you're dividing it in 1, 2, and 3 parts, these 2 points are called the points of trisection. So let P and Q be the points of trisection. The figure I kept above the margin are for my rough work. So if you want these figures in your notebook, you will have to write it somewhere here. Somewhere here. So if P and Q are the points of trisection, you can see P will divide the line segment in the ratio 1:2. Now how does 1:2 come? So this is P, the first point, I've taken it here. So AP and PB are the 2 parts. In the first part I have only 1. In the other part I have 2 parts, so I have taken this as 2. So AP is to PB is 1:2. That is the ratio. So we will say P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Then using this 1:2, you will be finding the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P will be, as we have done before, you just look at this one, 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 2. We are solving for X first. 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2. So you see 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, for Y you start from here and use the second number now for finding Y. 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Similarly, we will use this one for finding the coordinates of Q. But before that, let's see what we get here. 1 into minus 7 is minus 7 plus 4, and here 4 minus 4, so 4 minus 4 will be 0, and here you'll get minus 3, so if you cancel you'll get minus 1 and 0. Likewise, Q will divide AB in the ratio 2:1 because Q is here. Here we have 2 parts here and 1 part on this side, so 2:1. This is our ratio, and the multiplication method is same. 2 multiplied by minus 7 for X plus 1 multiplied by 2. You can see I have kept it here, comma, for y 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by minus 2. We are using the second number for searching the value of y, divided by 2 plus 1. m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 1. So you just multiply this number, minus 14 plus 2 divided by 3, and here 8 minus 2 divided by 3. You'll get minus 12 by 3 and 6 by 3, and cancelling you'll get minus 4 and 2. Hence the points of trisection are minus 1 0 and minus 4 2. This is minus 1 0, this is minus 4 2. This is how we solve. If you have say 5 parts, 6 parts, the method is similar. You will just make the parts and then just count the number of parts on the both sides. So using this concept, you will be solving question number 12. In question number 12, the ratio will be AP by AB equals 3 by 7. I repeat, AP by AB equals 3 by 7. So you'll have to divide the line in 7 parts. And you can check question number 3 also. Divide it in 7 parts, and then the hint is hidden in question number 3. So let this be all for now. Assignment is exercise 11.2, question number 12. Thank you all.